A mother will stand trial for the beating of her daughter, abuse that prosecutors say was because she thought her daughter might be gay. 34-year-old Aisha Porter listened as her daughter told the court what happened when her mother found a letter from another girl. Let's bring in Jason Colthorpe right now. And Jason, what kind of letter was this? What did it say?
Well, it was a kind of a love letter of sorts, Kim, and it may have been one-sided, though, as we learned in court. However, that didn't matter to Porter because as prosecutors laid out their case today, they allege when Porter found it, she immediately went to school, yanked her daughter out to confront her, and started beating her before they even left the parking lot. Aisha Porter had dropped her 15-year-old daughter off at school November 11th when she returned home to find a letter stuck in the couch.
It was a letter that me and a girl was writing. It was either a love letter or it was potentially be a love letter.
The girl, testifying at her mom's preliminary hearing today, explained that she told her mother the other girl was her best friend, not her girlfriend, and that she wasn't gay. But she says Porter became enraged.
She grabbed my hair and she pulled out the parking lot and she had my hair as she was driving.
When they got home, she says it got even worse.
I hit my head against the wall.
How did you hit your head against the wall?
She pushed me against the wall and she was shaking me. She said, "You're never going to be my daughter again and you can't live in this house no more."
She took her to her father's house where the Detroit police officer who was called saw visible signs of assault on the girl's face. He said Porter admitted to hitting her once, also saying this.
Her daughter was too young to be a and that she can make that decision when she gets older, but not right now.
Dana Nessel of the Fair Michigan Justice Project says abuse like this has been swept under the rug for far too long.
And making your kids feel bad about it by beating them physically, by abusing them emotionally, it's not going to make them any more straight.
Porter's defense attorney wound up the hearing today saying this is a question of facts, and he said, quote, "We'll have some fun at trial." That kind of puzzled Judge Kenny King, who looked at him funny for a little while, and the judge finished by saying this is one of those moments, tough moments for parents when they have to confront their child's sexuality. However, what happened in this case was not justified. Reporting live tonight, Jason Colthorpe, Local 4.
And you know, Jason, when you look at the statistics on LGBT teens that are kicked out of the house, it is absolutely heartbreaking, especially considering the road that often sends them down. Does this girl have anywhere to go right now? Do you know?
She does. She's able to stay with her father. Her father's actually the one who called police when this whole thing spilled over to his house after the mom wanted to kick her out. And you're right, the statistics really are staggering when kids don't have somewhere to go. It often leads to drug abuse and sometimes suicide. It's good that these kids have somewhere to go.
Yeah,
Kim.
we report on that kind of thing all the time, and you're right, good she has her father there. Jason, we appreciate it.